Hi, welcome to Ray Purpose Made, home of one-of-a-kind custom furniture. See how I take regular old pieces of wood and turn into something extra special just for you. If you hear rattling or hissing in this video, it is coming from this very beautifully covered cast iron radiator behind me. We do apologize for the inconvenience. I've designed a wall item that gives you everything that a vanity should without being a clunky furniture item or just an element in the bathroom. I came up with this sketch for this floating vanity a while ago. I knew I wanted this to be something that kind of projects out to create the kind of like you're walking into the space even though it's on a wall. I also knew I wanted that the top piece to kind of have like little points at the very end to kind of just like project more without actually taking up too much space when you're walking into it. This is the companion piece of the loft bed and desk I made a few months ago at Lisa's house for her youngest child. So I already knew what the colors were going to be. Purple was the leading color, and I wanted to use a variant of a couple of different kind of purples. So what I did was took the same wall paint that exists in the room already and used that for like main portions of the piece, and then added white to that color also and used it on other parts of the piece. I wanted the top and the back of the vanity to be the dark color. So I wanted the lighter purple to be the side pieces so that it can reflect a little bit more light when right in front of it looking in the mirror. And speaking of the mirror, that was also spray painted purple. Originally it was like this basic like fake brass color. So then I just spray painted that purple to have different variants. So now there's like 3 different purples on the piece. I came up with this design for the floating vanity a while ago. I knew I wanted to play with trapezoidal shapes and also wanted to play with like sharp points at the top shelf. I like the idea that the sides kind of get wider as they go up so that when you're walking into the space, it kind of feels like you have your own little private space even though you're just on a wall. My favorite design element of this piece are the 2x2s, and not just because they're wood burn, but how I pushed them back a little bit. They're indented to where like they don't come to the edge at the top on the sides. They don't come to the edge at the bottom. And it's a little design element I wanted to do. It allowed me to like wood burn that actual piece and have it show out more. And it's a little bit more unexpected than just having everything come to the end and having everything be all the same plane. I wanted to break it up a little bit and have your eye do a little bit more dancing around the piece. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you want to see more. If you click on that little bell on the bottom, you will be notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thanks for watching.